Hello children, welcome back to the new online session. In this session, let us discuss one of the important problem from the polynomials and factorization of class 9 mathematics from exercise 2.3 ninth problem. When a polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2 leaves remainder 2 and x plus 2 leaves remainder minus 2, find a and b. Okay, here they gave one polynomial, that is p of x, and they gave the two linear polynomials, one is x minus 2 and x plus 2, and for x minus 2 they got the remainder 2 and for x plus 2 leaves the remainder is minus 2. Okay, by using that data we should find out the values of a and b. Okay children, see, very important problem. Given polynomial, what is the given polynomial? P of x is equals to 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b, and they gave the two linear polynomials, that is x minus a is equals to x minus 2 and x plus a is equals to x plus a is equals to x plus 2. Okay, what is the first method, what is the first step we should do here? Yes, we should find out the 0 of the polynomial. The 0 of polynomial of x minus 2 is, yes, x minus 2 is equals to 0, then x is equals to 2. Okay, now replace 2 in the place of x in the given polynomial, children. P of 2 is equals to 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b. Okay, then P of 2 is equals to 2 into 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into 2 square is 4 plus 2a plus b. Then P of 2 is equals to 2 8 are 16 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 2a plus b. Then what is the value of P of 2? P of 2 means x minus 2. What is the remainder for x minus 2? Yes, 2 is the remainder, is equals to 16 plus 12 28 plus 2a plus b, and this 28 if you send to LHS it become minus 28 is equals to 2a plus b. 2 minus 28 is minus 26 is equals to 2a plus b, and I will write it as 2a plus b is equals to minus 26. Okay, and assume it as equation 1. Okay, now we should find out the 0 of the polynomial for x plus 2. The 0 of polynomial of x plus 2 is x plus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 2. Okay, now replace minus 2 in the place of x in the given polynomial. P of minus 2 is equals to 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus a into minus 2 plus b. Okay, then P of minus 2 is equals to 2 into minus 2 whole cube is minus 8 plus 3 into minus 2 whole square means 4 plus into minus minus a into 2 is 2a plus b. Then P of minus 2 is equals to minus 16 plus 12 minus 2a plus b. But what is the remainder for x minus x plus 2 is, what is the remainder for x plus 2 is minus 2 is the remainder. Minus 2 is equals to minus 16 plus 12 minus 2a plus b, and minus 2 minus 16 plus 12 is minus 4. Okay, minus 2a plus b. Now minus 2, this minus 4 I will take here, plus 4, minus 2a I will take here, plus 2a is equals to b. Okay, minus 2 plus 4 is 2, plus 2a is equals to b. Okay, then b is equals to 2 plus 2a. Okay, assume it as equation 2. b is equals to 2 plus 2a, assume it as equation 2. Then substitute b is equals to 2 plus 2a in equation 1. Okay, what is equation 1 here? 2a plus b is equals to minus 26. 2a plus b is equals to minus 26. Then 2a plus 2 plus 2a is equals to minus 26. 2a plus 2a is 4a plus 2 is equals to minus 26. 4a is equals to minus 26 minus 2. 4a is equals to minus 28, and a is equals to minus 28 by 4. 4 ones are 4 sevens are. Then the value of a you will get is minus 7. Okay, the value of a you will get is minus 7. Now substitute a is equals to minus 7 in equation 2. What is equation 2? b is equals to 2 plus 2a. Okay, b is equals to 2 plus 2a. Now b is equals to 2 plus 2 into, in the place of a, if you substitute minus 7, now this can be written as b is equals to 2 plus into minus, minus 2 sevens are 14. Then b is equals to 2 minus 14 is minus 12. Okay, this is the value of b. Therefore the value of a is equals to minus 7 and the value of b is equals to minus 12. These are the two values of both a. These are the two values, that is a is equals to minus 7 and b is equals to minus 12. Okay children, like this you should solve this type of the problem. Okay, thank you.